Welcome to my channel. Did you know that a simple mistake on your credit report could cost you thousands in interest? A missed payment, an incorrect balance, or even an error in your name could mean higher costs on loans, credit cards, and even insurance. Your credit score isn't just a number. It's a financial passport that determines what you can afford in life. Today, we're breaking down what impacts your credit score, common mistakes that could be holding you back, and how to fix them fast. Credit score breakdown. Your credit score is made up of 5 key factors. Let's go through each one and how it affects your financial health. Payment history, 35%. This is the most important factor. Lenders want to know if you pay your bills on time. A single late payment can significantly damage your score, and repeated late payments can take years to recover from. Credit utilization, 30%. This refers to how much of your available credit you're using. High balances can hurt your score, even if you pay on time. Experts recommend keeping your credit usage below 30%, and if possible, under 10% for the best scores. Credit age, 15%. The longer you've had credit accounts open, the better. A well-aged credit history signals to lenders that you're experienced in managing debt responsibly. Closing old accounts can shorten your credit age and hurt your score. Credit mix, 10%. Having a variety of credit types, credit cards, auto loans, mortgages, and installment loans, shows lenders you can handle different forms of credit responsibly. If you only have credit cards or one type of credit, it might not be as strong of a profile. Inquiries and new credit, 10%. Every time you apply for new credit, a lender performs a hard inquiry. Too many hard inquiries in a short period can lower your score and make you look risky to lenders. Only apply for credit when necessary. Common credit mistakes that cost you. Now that you understand what affects your credit score, avoid these common mistakes. Ignoring your credit report. Errors like incorrect balances or unknown accounts can lower your score unfairly. Check your report regularly at annualcreditreport.com. Closing old accounts. This shortens your credit history and increases your credit utilization, both of which can hurt your score. Maxing out credit cards. Even if you pay in full, high utilization makes lenders see you as a risk. Applying for too much credit at once. Each application triggers a hard inquiry, and too many in a short time can make lenders hesitant to approve you. Avoid these mistakes to keep your credit score strong and improve your financial opportunities. Quick fixes to boost your credit. If your credit score isn't where you want it to be, start by disputing any errors on your credit report, such as incorrect balances or accounts that don't belong to you. Keep your credit utilization below 30%, or ideally under 10%, by paying off balances early. Always make on-time payments. Set up autopay or reminders to avoid late fees. Becoming an authorized user on a responsible person's credit card can also help boost your score. Additionally, some services allow you to report rent, utility, and phone payments to credit bureaus, helping you build credit without a credit card. By following these steps consistently, you can strengthen your credit and improve your financial opportunities. Good credit isn't just about numbers, it's about opportunities. A strong credit score can mean lower interest rates, better loan options, and even job opportunities. If you're serious about building and repairing your credit the right way, check out my book, DIY Credit Repair Guide. Get step-by-step guidance on improving your credit, avoiding mistakes, and securing your financial future. Click the link below to grab your copy today. And before you go, if you found this information helpful, drop a comment with any credit questions. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more expert tips on mastering your credit.